which are from 2012 to 2018 models. You could order this product on MyKeyPremium.com. I'll drop the link down below for you. What I like about this product is very easy, simple, and quick to install it. You don't have to cut any wires, and you use your original key fob. You don't need anything extra. Just before you order this product, we show you have a push button start system. So in this package, you're gonna get a module, and on the module, you'll have dip switches. And make sure for this specific model, your dip switches are set up just like this. On the red side, 1, 2, 3 are up and 4 is down. On the black side, the first one is down and 2, 3, 4 are up. And this set of wires. These wires have two types of connectors, female and male. Basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna disconnect two connectors from your car's module, connect them into here, and then from there, we're gonna connect these female connectors into your car's module. Let's get started. So we're gonna have to unplug these two connectors, one right here and the one right here. This is the biggest one, just like this, and then the smallest one. Here you go, the two are out. The third one, we're not gonna be working with the third one, so only with these two. So now we're gonna be connecting this connector into this, your car's connector. Just like this, make sure it's all the way in. And the second one, small to small. Just like this, make sure it clicks. Now we have these connectors. We're gonna connect them into the car's module. Just like that. And the last one. Make sure it's nice and tight. It's good to go. Now on the harness, you're gonna have blue pin and red pin, and make sure the red pin is unplugged. Now it's connected to the module. You have two connectors left. This one is power, we'll connect it last. So first things first, and then now power. Now you're good to go. Let's test it out. Once you finish installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Once you're in the car, all you have to do is press the brake pedal, put in gear, and it's good to go. And there's another cool feature that MyKey Premium Remote Starter offers, is the automatic door lock and unlock. And I'll show you how to deactivate it and activate it. To activate the automatic door lock, all you have to do is press the brake pedal, hold this, and press the lock button twice. Just like this. And now the function is activated. If you want to deactivate the function, do the same thing.